Hey everyone, it's the Akila team. Nowadays, buildings are integrating more and more renewable energies. But with all the systems in place, the big question is how much of your energy is coming from renewables, where it's going, and how do we validate the investments? That's where the Akila energy flow analysis comes in. It gives you a clear, easy to understand map of the entire energy mix. You'll see exactly how much energy is coming from renewables versus the grid and how it all flows through the building. And you can also dig deeper because our analytics separate supply from consumption. So you can track consumption rates and understand how that energy is used in HVAC, lighting, or industrial system. Plus, you can break it down by tenant and equipment type so you can track who's using the most energy. And it's not just about electricity. You can explore water, gas, and heat with the same clarity. In the end, this kind of visibility really helps building to understand the impact of the renewable investments. Spot any inefficiencies and make smarter decisions that save money and reduce carbon at the same time.